Hey y'all, so I had a baby.
Like all the places we can go, all the things we can do, but it's just me and you. We ain't worried about tomorrow.
Hey y'all, it's your girl LAT and Live a Little, Live a Lot. And today, as you see if you click on this video, I will be doing a clothing haul, a mini clothing haul. Well, whatever, I call them all clothing hauls. Of this item from Bernice and Burgos. Y'all know who I'm talking about. I'm gonna insert her Instagram right here on the right. I actually did not know that she had a pajama line, so I ordered this actually after I seen Megan Thee Stallion video. I'm gonna insert that video that I was talking about from the shade room and stuff. And I was just like, dang, that's a cute one. And I was like, oh wait, okay, whatever. Whenever I order from a website, I always only order one item, so I've never shopped there, just so I can see like what the material is like and like how it fits, and if it's actually stretchy or firm material, you know, all that good stuff. It's yellow, by the way. That's why I got my eyeshadow like this, so it can match my outfit. So first, we can get into what her website. Hey y'all, on this part, I would just say we can get into what her website looks like and all of that. They were playing music in the background. Didn't know until I'm editing, and y'all, my mom is calling me right now. And mama, I'm editing a video. It's very clean and cut and straight to the point. What was I saying? After I order, I'm gonna insert my order receipt right here. I paid for priority shipping, so it takes 3 to 4 days. It actually ended up taking like a week, but I feel like it made sense though because I ordered on a Sunday and I got it not the next Monday, but the Monday after that. So yeah. We can get into her packaging. It's very basic, it's simple, it's regular, it's black, and then on the stick is bold and beautiful. I feel like she picked bold and beautiful for her brand name as well because her initials are BB, or maybe she came up with that and then it just happened to so match. But you know, either way, it's still cool and that's cute. And then yeah, you see I paid for priority shipping, mail. But yeah, I was like, the only reason I wasn't tripping too that it came so late, like after the fact, was because I really just wanted to before my birthday to make this YouTube video. And I was like, a lot of people probably paid for priority mail, so it's like, it's really like when they get to you, and you know, you have to be understanding of business sometimes, because I know when I started my clothing line, I wasn't gonna want people to be understanding and like think like I'm getting a lot of orders and they all paid for priority mail. It's just gotta go fast as you can, so you know how that goes. I'm about to try it on now. It ain't really much more I can say about this, but that's it. Packaging, you know, everything like that. That was the website. This is her Instagram, and yeah. So let's get into the try on. So y'all, this is me right now. Beyonce, shake it up. Okay, no, this is me right now. I'm gonna do a little spin. Oh wait, should I do a reaction of like my first reaction to how it looked like? Or I don't know. Whatever. I'll just record my reaction when I first open it. Ouch. My nail. Why not? Okay. What's this? Oh, this the thanks for shopping with us. Bold and beautiful. Okay, yes, it's like yellow. If y'all can't see. It's yellow for real. You see her, she got the tag, bold and beautiful. I got a size extra small if y'all didn't know. And it says buttercup on the front, so. Which side is it? This side, there it goes. Let me open it. I love it already. I think I feel like me. Let me stop. I need to grow up. Alright, so it's very soft. It's very soft. I'm gonna say that right off the jump, y'all.
Hey y'all, so it's probably like a week later and I'm sitting here editing this video and I have on my bold and beautiful onesie again, y'all. And yes, I slept so good that like I fell asleep in my makeup. Okay, that's how good I slept. Like this material, very soft. Even after I washed it, it still like kept the same. You know how sometimes after you wash stuff, it'll feel like a little funny after? No, y'all, still soft.
Like, and yeah, I'm happy I got an extra small because this is very, very stretchy material. Like off the jump. Yes, it is soft. Good. Can we get a snap for good quality clothes? Okay. Logo. She got her logo right here on the wrist with the little pink. That's where I got the eyeshadow. Like I got the pink under the bottom, the yellow on top. Y'all know I try to do what's on something. Let's see, and then right here on the booty, buttercup. Everybody used to call me Buttercup because y'all know I love peanut butter so much, okay? Yes, it's really soft. Yeah, I like this. And it's like long fitted, so I don't know how it's gonna fit. But it might fit like cute, so like when I start trying to like twerk and stuff, it might just look, I don't know. Y'all know I'm corny. So I'm gonna be back. I'm finna go try this on. Yeah. Okay, y'all, get into this. It is so freaking cute. I look like a buttercup for real. Okay, here it is right here on the back. Buttercup. Let me focus it. There it goes. This thing, it can unsnap, by the way. Here's the front. It goes down far enough, by the way, as well for you to get in. Because sometimes buttons, they'll be like fake buttons and they won't go down far enough, so you can't really get in. It's hard to get in. But no, y'all, they open all the way up. Okay, look. And then you could do like, oh, cleavage, oh. Okay. It's very soft, y'all. Like when I say it's soft. And then I like as well how she did the sleeves like this and made it like a little bit thicker, as if like, you know, how sweatshirts be or whatever. Here's the top. It shows my tattoo cute, y'all, that I got right here. So it's like, okay, but yeah. I'm gonna do a 360 real quick for y'all. Here's the front. Ooh, okay. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Body crazy curvy, wavy big. Okay, let me stop. So you guys, this is a quick clothing review haul. I always call it a haul. My sister was telling me it's not a haul if you only get one piece of clothes, but like I still call it a haul because it's like a clothing haul. Like a haul goes with clothing, like whatever. But this was the end of this clothing review haul, whatever. That of her, like I really give her a 10. Like I will literally give her a 10. Okay, since everybody be like, you can't give everybody a 10. I'll give her like a 9.7. And I took off the 0.3 because of the thing about the shipping. It's like, you know, when you start growing like a bigger business, you gotta just like figure out ways to get stuff out faster. But I'm not complaining, but I'm just saying like, if I couldn't give her a 10, that would be the petty technical reason. But yeah, look, and then when I'm sitting down, it just make me look like, who? Oh. But yeah. So if you ain't told your mama, granny, or weird uncle yet, what is you doing, angels? Until next time, and I hope y'all like this quick clothing review haul. And I might just insert some funny clips and like cuts and takes and mess ups that I did. But peace and chicken grease, peace and blessings, angels.